my darlings, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you what's in my makeup traveling bag. Yes, all those products that I feel are super essential, a must take away with me whenever I go on a holiday or I'm just traveling somewhere. These are makeup products that I feel that I can't live without. I wanted to share with you exactly what those products are, and of course as well how I pack them, what's the criteria I use to decide which products come along with me, and how I keep everything organized and just easy to reach for me. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the family, and without further ado, let's get into what's in my makeup traveling bag. Alright guys, so first things first, I want to show you the makeup case I have. I got this from Amazon and I love it because it has all the qualities I'm looking for in my beauty cases. It keeps my makeup intact and is super customizable. They have different variations on the sizes and amount of compartments. I will leave the links in the description box so you can check them out. It comes with a strap in case you want to wear it, and these sort of dividers so you can arrange your makeup in the most convenient way for you. It is completely framed, which makes it really sturdy and keeps your makeup safe and sound and breakage free. It also comes with other compartments on the top layer as a brush holder and inner pocket. Let's start organizing makeup. I will start packing in this compartment my skin prepping products, and of course can't exist without my Fix Plus. This is a hydrating water mist that you can use to prep the skin before makeup application or after, as it refreshes and unifies your makeup, eradicating all signs of cakiness and giving your skin a beautiful glow. This is my primer of choice. It's a hydrating primer from Maybelline and it really moisturizes your skin super well, making it look radiant and plump. Next I have my scrub cream. You all know I'm in love with this stuff. It is so good. It gives your skin the most beautiful from within type of look. And the holy grail of all setting sprays, of course, couldn't pack for a holiday vacay without this mini-sized version of the all-nighter from Urban Decay. On this corner of the case, I'm gonna pack my base products like foundations and concealers. And my foundation of choice has to be, of course, my Face and Body Foundation from MAC. And the reason why is because it is such a versatile product. You can use it on everyday basis to enhance the look of your skin, or as well, because it is a buildable foundation, you can also obtain more coverage for a more perfected type of look. I always bring 2 shades with me so I can get more options and customize my shade as it's summer and have a good tan. I adore this foundation. It makes your skin look like skin but better, super natural and radiant, and it is water and sweat resistant, just perfect for summertime. I also bring with me a contouring stick. This one is from Clinique and I like it because it leans more towards the warm side, so it gives my skin a more natural bronze look. Super easy to blend and stays put for a long time as well. As you can see, I'm a concealer type of girl. I packed with me different types and formulations according to each imaginable situation. The first one I packed is this Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is my favorite full coverage concealer because it has a very hydrating texture. It doesn't sit on the lines. Of course, it gives you fantastic full coverage. A tiny little bit goes a long way with this product, and somehow it just looks really natural on the skin. Next is this Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. This is a super creamy, lightweight concealer that looks super natural on the skin, providing you with a medium coverage. It is my everyday go-to concealer, and I can't believe I'm gonna be saying this, but it has completely replaced my once so loved NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. That's crazy, right? I'm also bringing my super loved Prolongwear concealer from MAC for those occasions where I need my makeup to stay put all night long. This stuff doesn't move, girls. It is so long lasting and it makes your under eyes look lifted and flawless. Again, super full coverage. You need the tiniest amount, really. I also got a mini version of the Tarte Shape Concealer. This is a concealer I really like, but I don't really tend to use it often. I find it quite drying underneath my eyes. I use this concealer whenever I need my makeup to look really perfected, and I got the traveling version of it because it is really cute and I don't really need a whole new shade from it. And the last concealer I packed with me is this concealer from ELF. Super affordable and beautiful finish. It is more a dewy concealer for those days where I want a super natural radiant look, and it blends so nicely into the skin, you can't really see it. Done with the face products, we move on to the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna place them right here, and the ones I always carry around with me are the Tarte eyeshadow palettes. I love the formulation and color selection. The first one is my all-time favorite palette, Tartelette in Bloom. It just has the most wearable neutral shades and just the perfect combination of shimmers and matte finish eyeshadows. I can create so many different looks with this, from very simple all the way to full glam. The shadows blend so well, they're easy to work with, very user-friendly palette. I can't say enough good things about it. And my next palette as well from Tarte is the Toasted palette. This is a warmer version of the previous one. Again, gray shade and finishes range, on point quality and versatility, so another must-have makeup product I need to take away with me wherever I go. So I'm gonna place these palettes right here. Next product is this gorgeous bronzer from Marc Jacobs. Perfect shade, such a smooth texture, huge size pan, and oh my god, this packaging just kills me. I mean, love Marc Jacobs stuff. I like bringing another bronzer option, sometimes a little bit less matte. This is from Tarte as well. Packaging gets me once again, and it has a gorgeous sheen to it that makes your skin just look perfectly and naturally sun-kissed. It has a golden undertone leaning more towards the warm side, I would say it, without looking orange, and it just enhances your tan. I live for it. This next compartment will be for my blushes and highlighters. And the first one I have is this Out of This World NARS palette from the Orgasm collection. It comes with some of the 3 most iconic products from the brand. And these are the Laguna bronzer, which I use more as a contour this time of the year, the also popular Orgasm blush, and the Orgasm highlighter. Yes, I'm a sucker for packaging, but I can't help it. It is stunning. Next are my cream blushes from ELF, and I really enjoy them. They are very compact, gray beige in texture, good staying power, and super affordable. I mean, doesn't get better than that, does it? Another powder blush I like to bring with me are these Wet n Wild color icon blushes. Super bomb formula, and this shade when you are tan is everything. For highlighters, of course, I will always and forever be faithful to my Soft and Gentle from MAC. You can make it look as subtle or beaming as you need, and is the most perfect shade for my skin. And to finish up, this is my cream highlighter of choice. This is a Marc Jacobs Dewy Stick. Super easy on-the-go product. Beautiful, radiant, dewy, sexy skin in a glow stick. Some liquid glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay. Just a little something to spice up my looks for those hot summer nights. This is an item in my makeup bag that I'm super excited about. This was actually a gift from my brother-in-law, and he got it on point. It's a portable magnifying mirror that has a LED light that simulates natural sunlight, so you can always see the true colors and version of your makeup. And it is super sleek and easy to carry around. It comes with a wire to recharge it, and I just love it. I take it with me everywhere I go, literally. Okay, so on this face, I'm gonna put my Mercier translucent powder. I use this to set my makeup, mainly my under eye concealer. I should have probably gotten the travel size, but okay, it's fine. This is what I have, so I'm just gonna place it right here. Right here, I'm gonna add some lip prepping products like this REVE from NUXE and this lip scrub from Max Factor. Next, I'm gonna be packing this brow pomade. Again, I always focus on bringing products that perform well under hot weather conditions and that have a long-lasting effect. Of course, I need to pack with me some gel and liquid eyeliners and some other tools like my tweezers and a sharpener, and of course a couple of beauty blenders and a beauty blender cleansing solid bar as well to cleanse my sponges and brushes. Now we go to brushes, and I'm just gonna pack them inside this pocket. And now I will finish up filling in this compartment right here with a pair of strip eyelashes, some glue, my mascaras, of course, most of them waterproof, and another brown pencil from NYX. And just to finish up my lip products, some nudes and some bright coral reds, which are my favorite ones for summer. And that's it. This is pretty much everything I packed with me whenever I go away for the summer. Remember, this is not what I pack with me when I go for a short holiday. This is what I pack with me when I go away for the whole summer, like 2.5 months. So these are kind of like all the products that I think are essential for me, and I just love them. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye. So that's it for my what's in my makeup traveling bag video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, please don't forget to subscribe and to share this video if you did, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.